I am sorry. I didn't mean to steal anything from anybody, and I didn't know I was doing anything illegal. I thought I was confronting friends and retrieving my property.
December 2008, as O.J. Simpson pleads for sympathy in a Las Vegas courtroom, attorney Gabriel Grasso was by his side, representing him in the kidnapping and armed robbery case that sent Simpson to prison for 9 to 33 years.
I don't think in this case, no matter what would have happened, that jury would have acquitted O.J. That jury was set in stone day one.
Now, after 9 years in prison, Simpson could soon be a free man.
If he weren't O.J. Simpson, this would be a complete lock. It's the O.J. factor that's floating around, and that's the one thing that could sink him.
Nevada parole commissioners paroled part of Simpson's sentence in 2013, but he still had more time to serve. Today, the parole board will decide whether to grant his release.
This parole attempt, he's getting out. So there could be that X factor, which is, well, when we do grant him parole, he's going free. So that may weigh on some of the commissioners.
Former prison guard Jeffrey Felix says Simpson has been a model prisoner.
O.J. had a very positive attitude. He knew he was going to get paroled, and that's all he thought about.
Now 70 years old, Simpson's age will also likely play a role in the board's decision.
And the last thing that the Nevada Department of Corrections wants is O.J. dying of some preventable disease or some preventable incident in prison because he's over 70 years old.
But not all legal experts think O.J. is promised parole.
Public sentiment is not on Mr. Simpson's side. Society does not trust him. He lost his trust with his fans. He lost his trust with America. These parole officers are going to be in a position to execute on a significant decision, a decision that is not a right, but a privilege and a matter of discretion.
If the parole board denies Simpson's release, he will likely be ordered to reappear for another hearing in 6 months. But Grasso says he doesn't think that will happen. If the board rules in Simpson's favor, he will be released as early as October 1st. Live in the newsroom, Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.